Hey there! Welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're counting down the top 3 best vegetable chopper and spiralizer tools to upgrade your kitchen game. If you want faster prep, cleaner cuts, and healthier meals without the hassle, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Janska Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. The Janska Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer redefines home food preparation with its versatile 12-in-1 design. This all-in-one kitchen tool combines a vegetable chopper, mandolin slicer, spiralizer, and dicer, transforming the way you approach cooking. Whether you're tackling onions, cucumbers, or hard vegetables like carrots and potatoes, the razor-sharp, rust-resistant stainless steel blades make slicing and dicing effortless. Each cut is precise, helping you create professional-quality meals without the hassle. Efficiency is built into the Janska Ultra Chop. The chopped vegetables fall directly into the integrated container, keeping your countertops clean and minimizing prep time. Its design helps reduce mess and keeps onion fumes at bay, letting you focus on cooking rather than cleanup. The set includes a bonus handheld spiralizer and 9 different blade options, perfect for creating everything from zoodles to crispy fries. A cleaning brush is also included, ensuring that maintenance is simple and fast. Durability and safety are central to the design. Made from BPA-free heavy-duty plastic, the chopper sits securely on your countertop thanks to its non-slip base. Dishwasher-safe components make cleaning worry-free, and its compact design allows for convenient storage. From everyday meals to creative culinary projects, the Janska Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer is designed to make healthy cooking accessible, efficient, and enjoyable for cooks of all levels. Coming in at number 2, we have the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. In today's fast-paced world, the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer has become a standout kitchen companion, capturing attention as one of TikTok's favorite and top-rated gadgets. Designed to simplify meal prep, this chopper transforms what used to be a tedious task into a quick 30-second process. With a generous 5-cup capacity, it saves time and effort, letting you dice vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Crafted with heavy-duty 420 stainless steel blades, the Fullstar chopper guarantees long-lasting sharpness and rust resistance, making it a reliable tool for everyday use. Its design focuses on comfort and stability, featuring a soft grip TPU handle for better control and a non-skid rubber base that keeps the chopper steady on any surface. A built-in catch tray ensures counters remain clean during prep, further enhancing convenience. Cleaning up is just as simple. This chopper is top-rack dishwasher safe, eliminating the need for scrubbing. Beyond practicality, it also makes a thoughtful gift for a variety of occasions, from housewarming parties to birthdays and holiday celebrations. Its versatility appeals to both novice cooks and seasoned chefs, supporting low-carb, plant-based, and family-friendly meals alike. With its combination of efficiency, durability, and user-friendly design, the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer has redefined the way kitchens handle vegetables. From quick weeknight dinners to elaborate holiday feasts, it turns meal preparation into a fast, safe, and enjoyable experience, making it a must-have gadget for anyone looking to cook smarter and faster. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mueller Pro Series Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. The Mueller Pro Series Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer is a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify meal preparation and elevate home cooking. Combining functionality and convenience, it allows you to dice, slice, julienne, grate, or spiralize vegetables and fruits with ease, making it an essential companion for anyone looking to save time in the kitchen while preparing healthy, flavorful meals. Crafted with premium materials, including grade 420 stainless steel blades and food-grade BPA-free components, it ensures durability, safety, and long-lasting performance. This all-in-one device features 12 diverse blades, including 9 interchangeable options for chopping, slicing, and grating, along with 3 Spiralizer attachments to create colorful veggie pasta, decorative garnishes, or perfectly shaped salads. From finely diced onions and peppers for salsa to shredded cabbage for coleslaw, the Mueller Pro Series adapts effortlessly to every culinary need, eliminating the need for multiple kitchen gadgets. Its thoughtful design includes a food container and holder that keeps ingredients stable while cutting, reducing mess and enhancing safety. Cleanup is equally simple. Most parts are dishwasher safe, and a complimentary scrubbing fork ensures even the toughest residues are easily removed. Its compact size allows for convenient storage, freeing up valuable countertop space. More than just a time saver, the Mueller Pro Series vegetable chopper and spiralizer encourages healthier eating habits. By streamlining the preparation of fresh vegetables and fruits, it makes it easier to incorporate nutritious ingredients into daily meals, helping families avoid processed foods without sacrificing flavor or variety. With this tool, busy lifestyles no longer compromise the quality of home-cooked meals, allowing more time to enjoy both food and family. Overall, the Mueller Pro Series is a practical, efficient, and health-conscious solution for modern kitchens, turning everyday cooking into a quicker, cleaner, and more enjoyable experience. Upgrade your kitchen in seconds. Check the price link in the description and find the perfect fit for your cooking style. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more top picks and smart home upgrades.